going on, guys? In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to open the terminal window from a specific folder. Now this is really handy if you want to get access from your terminal window to the files you just created from your graphics shell. I'm going to demonstrate that on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now first on Windows, let me create a folder on my desktop here. And all you need to do is to hold the Shift key on your keyboard and right click that folder and select Open Command Window here, and boom, you got it. You can also click into that folder, click some blank areas as long as you're not touching any file. Hold the Shift key again, select the Open Command Window here. It's essentially the same thing. Now the command window looks a little scary to a lot of people. If you're not feeling comfortable with how it looks, you can right click the top bar, go to the properties, and feel free to change all the settings around. In this case, let me change the screen text color and change the screen background color as well. If that looks okay, you just close that, and next time you launch it, it will remember your last setting. Now there's an alternative way to do that, is that you can click the start and type in CMD. Let's launch the terminal window first. Now the terminal window can interpret the location of that folder if you drag that folder directly into the terminal window. In this case, it will immediately turns that into the absolute path to that folder. So in this case, if we add additional command CD, which stands for change directory, and hit enter, and boom, we're there. Now let me show you that on Mac OS X. In Mac OS X, to open the terminal window right at the folder needs a little more effort. So let me create a new folder here. If you right click that, you won't see any option for opening the terminal window. The right way to do that is to go to the System Preference, go to the keyboard, go to Shortcuts, go to Services, a lot of go-tos, and then scroll down to the Files and Folders section. Make sure you click New Terminal, Add Folder, and then close that. Now, if you right-click the folder again, you will see a new option here. Select that, and boom, that's the terminal window launched right at the location of this folder. Again, if you don't like how it looks, you can go to the preference, change the font size. Let's make it a little bigger. Now it will take effect the next time you launch it. So close that and relaunch it, and boom, the text is much bigger. The other way you can do, such as same as Windows, that you can drag and drop the folder directly into the terminal window, and it will be interpreted as the absolute path to that location. So if we type in CD, change directory, space, and drag in that folder again, and boom, we'll be right at that location. Now let me demonstrate that on Linux. Linux will be the most terminal friendly environment you will ever experience. Now let me use Linux Mint as an example. Let me create a new folder on the desktop as usual. Now you just need to right click that folder and select Open Terminal, or you open that folder, click some blank area as long as you're not touching any file, and click Open Terminal. or you can directly launch the terminal first, and let's do cd change directory and drag and drop the folder into that terminal and hit enter, and boom, you're there. That simple. So that's all the demos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.